Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can install WordPress on Bluehost, and in this video I will show you the buying process, then that how you can get web hosting and web domain. So let's get started. So first of all you need to visit the bluehost.com by the given link in the description to get some extra discount. So after visiting by the link, you have to click on get started, and here you will see the plans that you can choose for your website. So I can suggest you can go for the basic plan if you are going to run one website, but if you are going to run more than one website, you can choose a plus plan. And these plan I won't recommend because these both plans will do all the work for you. So let's see. As you can see, in the basic plan, you can run one website and will get 50 GB SSD storage. And in the plus plan, you can run unlimited website with unlimited SSD storage. So if you're going to run more than one website, or you are running a high website, then you can choose a plus plan. But if you are going to run one website only, then you should choose basic one. So I'm going to choose basic plan. Click select. Here you can choose the domain name for your website. Now you can search for a name that is available or not, and make sure you have to go for .com first. If it isn't available, then you can choose other option as well, or you if you have already a domain name, you can use here. But if you want a new domain name, you can create it by here. Let's suppose I'm spamming it, and click next. And as you can see, it says our domain name is available. Now you can simply sign in with Google, or you can fill up these details like name, business name, country, your phone number, your email address. And after that, let's take a look on package. Now there are two options which you can choose. If you choose 36 month, you will get a better discount, but if you choose 12 month, you will get this price. So I'm going to check 12 month, and as you can see, I will be charged this price. So scroll down, and here are some package extras. So here you have to uncheck this one and this one. This will reduce your price. And for the privacy protection, it's up to you want to keep your information protected or not. But if you want to tear down some more price, you can simply uncheck this also, turn it off, and you will be charged less. So after that, you have to add some payment information right here. You can add your card information and billing information, and after putting all the details, you have to scroll down, check this one, and click on submit. After clicking submit, you will see a payment receipt like this one. You have to scroll up and you will see create your account button. You have to click on create your account. After that, you will see option like this one. Here you will be have your domain name, and you can create a password which you can use for login, and create a strong password. And after that, click on create account, and during this you have to verify your email. And you have, as you can see, your account will be verified. Now if you visit Bluehost, you will see a pop-up like this one. Your account is ready to go. Now you can log in. So click on go to login, and you will see a page like this one. Here you can put your domain name and the password which you have created before. And after putting the information, you have to click on login, and here you will see a pop-up create your website. So you have to simply click on create your website. After that, you will see some options which you can choose, or you can simply skip. So I'm going to skip these steps. And here you can also choose a category for your website, or you can simply skip and choose a category later, but you can choose here as well. And here again, click on skip this step, click on skip. You will see a page like this one. How would you like to build your WordPress site? So here are basically two options. First one is choosing WordPress only, and second one is choosing with WordPress plus Bluehost website builder. So if you want to save your time, and then you can select this option, but I'm going to choose WordPress only because it will give us limitless customization. So click on this one, get started, and here you can simply name your site how to Wi-Fi, and you can add a tagline as well, or you can simply leave it blank. And here you can choose some plugins for your website, but I'm going to choose none, and click next. And it will take some time. You will see this option, and you will be redirected to your WordPress admin panel. As you can see, if you visit our site, you can see the default template by the WordPress. So that's how you can install WordPress on Bluehost, and you can start changing the theme, and you can simply change any information you want. So that's all for now. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.